Racing ZipLine at Brownstone Park. Check it out. Or you keep walking. The walk is about maybe a 5-minute hike or something like that. It's not that bad. Once you get off this hill, you go straight. There'll be a little silence now. So now you're basically on top. You have a little more, and there will be like a little maze to get to the front of the line. You keep walking, there's a street to the side, the water, the lake to the other side, as you can see. And you keep walking. Make sure you bring water. If you have flip-flops or swimming shoes, you have to tuck it into your vest, because you cannot go on the ride with them on. They will make you take them off. As you can see, this is the top. You have to go all around, as you can see, like everybody is doing to the left. Once you get in line, there's also a bathroom on the top, as you can see in the right hand corner. There's a bench so you can sit down and relax, because it does get tiring, especially if you're not in shape. As you can see, the 4 people that stand on top of the rock are the people that will help you with everything to go down. There's really like 6 lines, but it's real confusing, but it's a 4-line thing. Line up how you want to go. They will give you a harness. You'll put it on, tie up your... Okay, I'm already on the top. This is where they get you ready to go ziplining. Just make sure when you're going up, you basically grab your harness, tie it from the waist first, and then do your legs. So now, this part right here, I have it in slow motion so you can see exactly how you land in the water and how the water goes up and how you take off. Then after this part is not there, I land in the water. It will show you again on the next part, and it will be the speed that it usually go is pretty fast. Well, check it out. This is about 80 feet up. It is a beautiful view. As you can see the whole park. Check it out. It will be silence, or I will put a music into this. Enjoy. nice.
Yeah, and it's annoying. Getting the ball off. So you've been on the zip lines? You know what you're doing?
Pretty much.
Alright, step forward. Yeah, there we go. It's only a few degrees cooler, but it's nicer today than Sunday.
Sunday was brutal.
We had some employees down for like
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You're not drinking water.
We drank tons.
Huh?
Alright, when you're ready to go.
I gotta wait. Whenever you're ready. Oh, okay. Ready? Woo! Andy! Ah!